Let's eat na guys, rice and fish. So this is our dinner now. So our ulam guys is fish, and then there's a little bit of pork like humba. Yeah, this is humba. Fish Phyllis. Like a little mino. Let's eat guys. For me, there is no room for laziness. I became a vendor when I was in my 4th grade. My family lives in the farm. Every Saturday, I was selling moringa. I remembered around 4:30 a.m. I start harvesting moringa myself, climbing taller trees like a little monkey, walking many kilometers to the market, carrying a bukag of heavy loads. At that time, it was until 11 a.m. because I am selling under the sun for 15 pesos worth of sales, and that's a lot of money. Unfortunately, not all of my moringa would be sold, but I was happy then because I am saving my money to buy a new slipper or toothbrush. At that time, if you own a toothbrush, that's a luxury already. I am also no strangers of selling because I've been through a lot of hardships in life. I am also collecting empty bottles and cans, anything that I could bring and sell to the junk shop. Kini Salbaro. So guys, somebody wants to buy my Salbaro, which is only 10 pesos each, so it's very cheap. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's like. But I'm having so much fun. So I'm selling guys because I'm helping with my friend there at the couple, and of course I can eat anything because they will feed me. So in return, I'm going to sell something at least. Yeah. I can help. Right, guys?
Come here, bro. Come here. Don't be shy.
Thank
you, bro. Come to our vlog. What does it taste like?
Crunchy, and this is a cassava. This is a cassava, and then with syrup.
What ingredients you did?
Cassava, yeah, the cassava, like a potato or cassava, you know, it's a potato family.
Like you mix it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is meticulously done, guys. The way they made it.
First bite.
So it's only 10 pesos only. So at least I'm trying to now to
yummy. It's so yummy, bro.
Now because
how does it taste like?
Guys, so how many?
I'm pretty sure it's so delicious.
4 guys.
4. Oh, shit, it's overload.
Overload. Okay. How about mango, guys? Mango is only 40 pesos, mango, ha? So look at my mango, guys. So it's only 40 pesos.
Yeah, it's so hinog.
So hinog. So yummy.
It's a fresh from the earth.
Fresh from a tree. Yes, thank you so much, guys. See, ha?
Shout out this on mama. Bako na nang hit. Hi. Hi.
So at least I have a 40 pesos sales now, okay? So I have to go.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for watching.
Hi. Simplicity is beauty in this country. Don't you ever underestimate the beauty of the nature, as I love to sail here every day. Look at guys. So I'm sailing here, guys, in a cow. Yeah. So I'm sailing, guys, anyway. So I'm just showing you that this is a very nice place here, and this is where I'm selling my mango. And I love the nature and my life and the cows. So somebody wants to buy my mango because this is my livelihood, guys. So this is where I support myself. Sister mo nagkuan ha sa mango, ha? You see, guys, so it is so nice to sell, guys, as my livelihood. So this is my work. So trabaho ko to, guys, every day. So this is 50 pesos, guys.
Ano yung drive?
Kaya ako ibalik ako, ibalik na akong sinsiyo ha.
Lame kayo.
So I'm selling mango right now under Happy. Even though my mango is
Lata-lata.
ripe. They're looking for a non-ripe guys, but it's already a bit ripe guys, but still they're so good because they're still buying my mango. Basta wala yung mga asawa yung asawa ayaw sa pagsilos-silos, asawa ka kay manindar ako. No string attached. No string attached. Yes guys, so I'm so thankful guys because at least I can eat my dinner now, which is, you know, my friends helping me, I'm helping them, at I have a free dinner as long as I'm going to sell their, you know, their manga and salbaro and some other stuff. Oh. So 40 pesos only, sinsiyo lang sir ha, because what 40 pesos only sir. Sir, 50 na lang sir, puna ako sa ato. Ha? Usa ka salbaro, 50 pesos. Para 50 pesos tanan. Para 50 pesos tanan.
Hindi siya gagawin business strategy.
Wala ko yung sinsiyo. Huli pang sa ko dito sinsiyo.
Nandun mo ng kwarta.
Ay, wala na ito po sinsiyo nila, sir.
Sige na lang.
Sige, sir. Mag-smile sa mo, diyan mo pag mugot-mugot, kapuya ng mugot, pero tayo kwarta, mag-mugot bang mga dagboy. So, makapagwapo na ba? Bahala ko no, sir. Ang kini ko nung mag-smile, sir, makapagwapo ginig samot sa tao, sir.
Baba?
Yes!
Kaya okay na, palit naman eh.
Hindi, bisan pa! So ako na lang, itag 50-50, sir, ha? Kaya umaga.
Ito na, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Iwasan na yung puso eh, bigay usa lang kabuo, lang sa mga tigas so nga na lang. Bigay usa kabuo. Di na lang yung punit eh, sus eh.
Ano na to?
Oh yeah, sorry. Ako tayo pasensya, sir. Hi, hello. So I'm so happy right now, guys. All of the kuan guys, they're buying something. At least I am happy now. So I'm gonna show you something, guys, because there's a barbecuehan also, sir. Of 150, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, of 150, sir. It's a simple life, but so much happier. I am very happy here in Bundok ng Tralalag. Guys, at the same time I'm selling, and at the same time I will be able to meet happy people. So, yung mga binayran na, yung mga manghayan. Thank you so much, guys. So I have to go because I'm going to eat my dinner now. So I'm happy, everybody's happy, and bye!
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. They're gonna buy my salbaro, guys, which is only 10 pesos, guys. Well, I'm just gonna put it in the kuan eh. So at least they're happy couple. Yes, because here in Tralala, there's a forever here. So that's why all we gonna do is just keep maintaining the cleanliness here, and then everybody's happy. So this is only 10 pesos, guys. And this is so yummy. 20 pesos only, sir. I have another more sales now, guys. So this is my life every day. I am selling here, and then at the same time, just be happy. You know, happiness is very important for me. Yes, my God, yes! Cows, guys, they're still here. They have 3 cows here. At least, so they're trying to eat some bushes and grass. Well, we have a drought. Yeah, the grass is dying. But of course, the cows here, well, so at least the cows here, even the cows have a nice view. Okay, guys, I'm going to get some more mango, guys. So talk to you later, alligator. Guys, so it's getting late, guys, and I don't have the mango. So I'm gonna go back to the store and get some mango, and then I guess I'm going to eat dinner first, and then come back here, roaming around to sell some more. Okay, so we're going.
Yes.
Bye. Wala lang, salbaro nagmangga. Para 50 all together.
Sige, Bira.
Sige.
Daw.
Yeah, so mango and salbaro, guys. So because I don't have a chain, sir, guys. So that's why I'm asking them.
At pilam na iya.
Ang asking din niya, tag 15 pesos.
Sus, wapa yun na, Jis.
Oo, paliti lang, sir, uy. Eh, parang alam ni sir ba nga, kuan sir ba? everybody's happy, sir. But support na lang yun the local, sir, ha? Ano, jud ba? So, yes, guys. So, 50 pesos all together, guys, ha? With salbaro and sauce and the mango. O yan, alam na ko, sir. Di para nga yung bonita, sir. O, sige. Tagsa, okay.
100 kanan. Duara.
Duha ka iskindi. Tagay, duha ka iskindi, guys, ya.
Saan, mangaon mo?
I have a friend.
Ba't mangaon mo ba? Palitan sa tamo.
Sure ba?
Taginsi mo ka.
Oo, mangaon ni, sir. Kita makaon tao, eh. Yeah, okay.
Wal grab tinda ba kaon sad ba?
Yeah, okay, that's good idea, guys. Para oh, guys, it's his birthday. What is your name, sir?
Daniel.
Yeah, it's his birthday, guys, and you know he's offering us that we're going to eat the ice candy as well. And I would say yes. I would not say no, guys, because it's his birthday, so it's time for him to celebrate and treat everyone.
Modid.
Hi!
Share the blessing.
Yeah, share the blessing.
Sagun sa lang. Mangga o cookie. Mangga lang.
Wow. Sir, oh. And a mango. Wow, this is a lucky day. Yes, I'm going to kuan lang ako. Abi ko sa ni usa. Hindi lang, mangga lang.
Oh, bayad ako sa ano? Mangga. Dua ka mangga niya.
Okay. Kaysa guys, please. So now I'm so busy now, guys. I don't. Well, sir, this is the cheapest kuan, ha. This is the cheapest street, ha. Guys, this is the cheapest street, guys. So this is only going to spend a centavo or a coins because they're very rich anyway. Yeah. He wants to buy 2 mango, guys, and 2 salbaros and the ice cream. He treated us with ice cream.
Candy.
Ano, ice candy? Ice candy, sorry. Rather ice candy. Buy something from the little vendors here. You tra-la-la-la-la. Here's your mango. 2 mangoes. Una ni siya, usa-usa lang kakuan, sir. Usa-usa sad ka kuan. Okay.
Free mga hipon.
Yes, the free hipon. Yes. The hipon is for free, guys. Happy birthday, Sir Daniel.
Oy.
Happy birthday so much, sir. So, pila tanan, sir? So much, guys. I can't believe this. So, at least you're helping the poor vendors here. Well, at least I have free dinner. I have a good dinner tonight. Yeah, I'm selling it also for a free dinner, sir.
Salamat din, sir.
Yeah. Kirby. Love. Love, ski. Guys, you have to eat na, guys, for our dinner. So, I'm done selling for now, and then later on after dinner, I'm going to sell again. Because I want to lose weight. I don't want to just stand by here because we have lots of mangoes to be selling. I am much more happier now. Very much I am contented of little things I have. Thanks God that I am surrounded with a beautiful and good people with me. With a beautiful place, we are all working hard together to grow. And most especially, I want to be happy and be joyful in life. After all, this is what we wanted. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Well, I just want you to know that hard work is a must here in this country. You cannot just sit down and sitting pretty and, you know, doing nothing. That's not for me. Okay, I'm done.